My video tutorial is about getting rid of the ransomware called Wayn, W-A-Y-N. This is the ransomware belonging to the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware is able to essentially damage the files that users store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this Wayn ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So, very soon, users see the negative consequences of the ransomware attack. This ransomware is able to damage the files. It encrypts them and it appends a special Wayn extension to the file names. So it's very soon just impossible to use the files. You try to open the specific file, and this is the message that you get. Windows can't open this type of file with this Wayn extension. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom. You need to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and as soon as it gets installed, start investigating your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature, allowing you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. This feature, however, does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware, it helps to protect your data, but it does not decrypt files. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the infections. You'll be able to know their exact locations. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but we recommend that you upgrade to premium, and you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. And you may find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.